welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the new Royale update, like Wave 2, that just came out like the day before yesterday. Yeah. Okay, so as you guys know that there are many quests in this like update. So the hardest quest is like the trash can, the trash bag one. That what happens is that when let me show it to you guys really quickly. We have this lifeguard right here, and you have to go to this person and. So as I was saying, this is like one of the hardest quests in the Wave 2 update because, like you have to collect 75 trash, like items of trash, if that makes any sense. So in this video, I'm not going to be doing the quest all over again, but I'm going to be telling you guys some specific places to help you guys, find it, like where the items are, so it would be easier for you guys to find it. So yeah, let's start. Let me talk to the lifeguard so that I can begin the quest. Guys, so there's also one more thing that I would like to recommend you guys, that what you're supposed to do is you should like turn on color brightness, so if it's like nighttime you could see better, and that will like really help a lot. So yeah, like I have done. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you guys where the trash is, like the specific places. So let's start. If you guys knew there are, but it's different for like everyone's screen. So the best place to check under is like under this place, like the dock type of thing lifeguard is standing in. It isn't on my screen, but it might be on yours. So also I would recommend you to climb it upstairs and right here. It can also be, the trash can also be right here. Also I would recommend you to check near the sandcastles, because like there's like a paper type of trash that blends really nicely with the, what do you call it, the sandcastles. We have someone with the Halloween Halo 2019. Okay, I don't know, I know this is very off topic, but yeah, I just wanted to say that. Okay, anyway, you guys can see that like near the beaches we have a lot of trash, and the sandcastles, like check every beach, you know what I mean, right? And one more thing, if you're wearing tall heels, like really tall heels, the screen might glitch for you and you won't be able to pick up trash. So I would recommend you to be barefoot or wear short stuff. Okay, right here, see, I have like 7 items right now, guys. So you guys can see that there's like a lot of trash here. Oh my god. Okay, and we have this normal random person in the background complaining that they're struggling, but that's fine, I'm struggling too. Okay, so near the what do you call it, the beaches. Okay, also we have a lot of trash under these like dock type thingy, and I think you call it a dock, right? See, there's like literally so much trash. I'm at 12 right now. Also, one more thing I would like to say is there's like also these paper and straw stuff. Yeah, I don't know, I'll tell you guys when I find one, but like the straws blend really nicely. So does the paper with like the sand, so it's really hard to see it. Okay, like this. As I was saying before, don't wear tall heels, they glitch a lot. So am I done? Oh, okay, we have one more. Thank god I saw it, because like it blends really nicely with the trash. The next area I would like the upper side of the dock, because you see guys, that was like a straw and a can, so I really want you to watch out. And like the straws blend really nicely. So yeah, I want you to walk aside the shore. And one more thing that I wanted to say, very important, that the trash does not spread out like in the city. As the lifeguard said, it was annoying for him to like surf, so it's like near the shore or the beach. It's not like it doesn't expand to the city. Oh, oopsie. Okay, so I'm going you to walk alongside the shore. Like there's so many trash here, like people trash a lot, and I like this one, like this what do you call it, this quest, because it helps you realize that how much trash we do to our earth, you know what I mean, right? So where do I see? Well, there's so much trash. Oh, okay, and one more thing, don't get confused with the seashells, because the seashells are basically like diamonds. Like, okay, why can't I pick it up? The seashells are like basically diamonds, so they're not trash. Oh, I don't know why I can't pick it up. Okay, that's diamonds. So right now I'm walking alongside the shore. So this is okay. So I would recommend you to like go through it, because sometimes it happens that it just doesn't work. So yeah, be careful about that. You think that you have picked it up, but you actually haven't. So now, right now I'm just walking alongside the shore, until the cave. Like I'll tell you guys which cave. Give me a second, please. I'm collecting. Oh my god, there's so much trash in here. Like sometimes it blends so nicely that it's super hard to see. Like this one. Like oh my god. And I will also recommend you guys. Okay, alongside this shore, then we have it here, and yeah. Also, guys, I would recommend you to do one more thing. Turn on color brightness and what do you call it? You know what I mean, right? Turn up your I don't know what you call it, okay? Quality, graphics quality. Yeah, so it will help you see better. Yeah, sorry, I forgot the name. Okay, right now, guys, I'm in the back side of like the Diamond Beach, where you guys can see that a new update, like the little neighborhood is. And also, guys, if you're looking for diamonds, this is also like a really good thing, because whenever you like walk over these seashells, you guys can see that on my screen, I'm getting a lot of diamonds. Sometimes 20, sometimes more, sometimes less. Yeah, so that's really amazing. So yeah. And there's also like a little bit of trash through like blending in with the shore, and I picked it up, and yeah. Also, guys, as I said, turn your graphics quality up, because it like really helps. Now I'm going through the neighborhood. Yeah, let me find. I'm not sure if there's also trash in here. It might not be on my screen, but it also might be on like yours. So yeah, I would recommend you to still like watch out, because check here. Yeah, back of the island, not the rocks, because as I said, it's like extended to the what do you call it, like the shores and like the beach area. We also get a lot of diamonds. Like you can see, like my diamonds suddenly increased because of the shells. So I would really recommend you guys to do that. And as I was talking, like the shore, oh perfect, like we have this like fantasia. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. The resort type fantasia I don't know how to pronounce it, okay? The resort, we have a lot of trash in here, and I would recommend you to not on every building. The buildings like buildings that like this, I mean like the resort, I would recommend you to like check here, because for the shore. And oh okay, that girl picked up the shell. I was supposed to pick up that. Okay, fine, whatever. So I would recommend you to check through the pillars, and you guys can see we have a lot of trash in here as well. Oh my god, so much trash. You guys can see that I'm at 32 now, because I'm not picking every single one of it, because I really don't want to do the whole quest all over again. And see guys, there's also like one more straw in here, camouflage. It was literally like camouflage so nicely, because I don't want to do the whole quest again. So as I was saying, I'm not picking every single thing. I'm giving you guys like an idea of where the items could be. So oh okay, we found so much trash here. 3 items. No, let me walk through it. Why is it glitching? It's kind of glitching. I can't pick it up. I hope I can end up pick this. I don't know. It's just annoying me when it glitches. You know what I mean, right? I would recommend you to fly, because sometimes whenever you fly, you cannot see the camouflage like trash on the ground. If that makes any type of sense, I really hope it does. Okay, fine. There's a lot of trash in these like pillars. Should check the stage, because there's like a lot of trash here. Like I see this paper and I see this straw. I mean, just walk over it, because sometimes I don't know why. I don't know, my screen is glitching a little bit. And also check behind the stage always. So guys, this is like a very secretive spot, like here, like the cable car. The pillars of the. We have like 2 here. And also guys, look closely, because sometimes like the wave covers up like the trash. So yeah, you need to look closely. Like you see, the waves are kind of like covering the rocks. Where can I move? Okay, fine. So yeah, and also it's not inside the cable cars, so don't bother checking in them. That's just what I wanted to say. And also guys, you guys see this like other island where like the cable cars lead to? There's also some trash here, and the reason is okay, don't worry, it's not on like the other little small islands. You don't need to worry about those, but it's still on like this big one, like where the cable car leads to. You know what I mean? There's a little bit on there's some on the dock. Why can't I say like the jet ski dock? Okay, yeah. Like I see this. Oopsie, I was literally about to fall. Oh yeah. So it's like on a lot of on the dock. Why cannot I say the name? Okay, yeah. So it's like 3 on the dock. You guys can see that I'm at 54 now. and it's also like alongside the shore. Like, so I would also recommend you guys to what to do is to walk alongside the shore on this island as well, because there is still what's happening, a lot of trash on this one. So I would also recommend you guys to do a 360 around this island. One of also the areas that you should look at, because I found one of them right here. It was camouflaged really nicely with the road. And one more thing, you should only look in these ramps, like in these places, not on the roads and stuff, because it's like kind of like a border that separates the sand and the roads, if that makes any type of sense. So this is the place that you should look at. When you go to lifeguard and claim the prize, you these are looks like these are called the swimmer flippers, and I feel like these are really cute looking. Yeah, these are really nice, and they're also like a new animation. Let me show it to you guys. It's called swimmy feet. So like when you wear it, it kind of looks like you're swimming. If then yeah, I hope you guys can see. And I like the fact that they kind of also leave a glowy trail behind. I hope you guys can see that. It's really nice looking. So yeah. Okay guys, so this was my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and if this video helped you in any way, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.